I'm Shamali Sinha. Namaskar and welcome to Foodie's Hut. Today's recipe is Shobji diye bhaja muger dal. Before we get started, let's have a look for ingredients. Here I have half cup of moong dal, and this is frozen peas, 1/3 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup of cauliflower, 1/4 cup of carrot, some oil, and here I have 1 red chili, dry red chili, 1 green chili, 2 bay leaves, half teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter, and here I have half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of ginger paste, half teaspoon of cumin powder, some salt, and here I have some whole spices: cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 green cardamom. First, take a pan and pour this moong dal and roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. While you are roasting, keep stirring, otherwise it can get burnt from the bottom. You can see it's ready. Over medium heat, it takes approximately 3 minutes. Now I'll pour it into a bowl and we'll wash it. Now take a pan and pour 1½ cup of water, and into it we'll pour this dal. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cover it and boil it. While our dal is boiling, let's fry the vegetables. For this, I'm taking approximately 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat the oil. Add cumin seeds, cinnamon stick, cloves and green cardamom, bay leaves and dry red chili. Then we'll add this cauliflower. Carrot, peas. Then I'll add half teaspoon of salt. Fry it. While you are frying this vegetable, cover it so it will cook fast. When our dal comes to boil, open the lid and slow the heat. Let it boil. In the meantime, let's check our vegetables. We'll add some turmeric powder. Give it a good mix and cover it and cook it for another 3 to 4 minutes. It's been 4 minutes, so let's check. Veggies are half done. Now I'll add all these spices: salt, cumin powder, ginger paste and turmeric powder. And I'll also add this green chili also. Add little amount of water. Approximately 2 teaspoons. Approximately 2 tablespoons. Cover it and cook it for another 3 minutes. Let's check it. You can see oil is separating from this vegetable, so our vegetables are ready. Turn off the heat and cover it. Here our dal is also ready. Now I'm going to pour all these vegetables into this dal. And I'll add some water, approximately half cup of water. If you want to make this dal little thin, so you can add some water more. And this is the time I'll add half teaspoon of ghee. Cook it for 2 minutes, then it will be ready to serve. Shobjiti moong dal is ready. If you wish, you can add some cilantro leaves and pinch of sugar. So try it and let me know. Stay tuned with Foodies Art to explore your known food in a different way. Till then, bye-bye.